finding fractional parts of numbers or amounts. Now this is very easy and we do this every day. Now for example, if we've got this circle here, if I divide it into two, obviously this is one half of the circle and that's the other half of the circle. So if I'm finding half of something, then what I'm doing is I'm dividing it into two parts, and this is the clue. Now for example, if I wanted a quarter of this circle, then I'm dividing it into four parts. So if I want a quarter of something, I just divide by 4, and again this is the clue. So the bottom part of the fraction is what we divide a number by. It's as simple as that. So halves and quarters we're quite happy with. If somebody said, well, what's half of 20? I'm sure you all know that's 10. Now if we wanted a quarter of 20, I'm sure you probably all know that's 5. And a lot of people will find half and then halve that again, exactly as we did with the circle, and that's fine. That's fine, there's nothing wrong with that. That will find a quarter. But as I said, if I divide 4 into 20, I know it will go 5 times. So I can get that answer that way. So if we took this question here, find 1/5 of 30, all that is 30 divided by the bottom of the fraction, which is 5. Now I know 5s into 30 goes 6 times, so that would be my answer. So this is 1/5 of the 30. Now where people have problems is, supposing they ask for 3/5 of 30. Everybody panics and goes, oh no, I can't do this. Well, if you know that 1/5 of 30 is 6, then it must follow that 2/5 must be 2 lots of 6, because this is 2 lots of 1/5. So 2/5 would be 12. So if they ask for 3/5, that would be 3 lots of the 6, which would be 18, and so on. So if we had 4/5, 4 lots of the 6 would be 24. And this always works, always works. And as I said right at the very beginning, if you know your multiplication tables, this becomes very easy, because you're just dividing by the number, which is the reverse of multiplication. So supposing they said find 3/7 of 28. Now 1/7 of 28 is just 28 divided by this bottom number, always. So 28 divided by 7. Now if you know your multiplication tables, 4/7 are 28. So 1/7 of 28 is 4. So 3/7 of 28 must be 3 lots of 4, which is 12. There you go, you have the answer. So finding fractional parts of anything, any number, is very, very simple. Find one part first and then just multiply it by the number of parts that you're looking for. So we find 1/7 here. Once we found that, we just multiply this by the top number. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, I hope that helps. It always works. I know you can do this, so it's just practice.